Nandito tayo ngayon sa GSX Convention Center ng Green State Suites sa Coronadal City para mag-attend ng SCMD first quarter meeting.
Acknowledgement of the members and declaration of quorum.
Good morning, everyone, and Happy New Year. And thank you for being present at the first quarter meeting of the Subcommittee on Migration Development for the calendar year 2026. I would like to respectfully acknowledge the presence of our SCMD Chairperson, OIC Regional Director, Samsudin Tilintungan of the Department of Migrant Workers, Region 12. We are also honored to have with us SCMD 12 Vice Chairperson, OIC Regional Director Marlene E. Hamero, represented today by Ms. Christine Marie H. Season, OIC Chief of Programs and Services Division. Accompanying her is Ms. Nerison I. Laluna, the Labor Communications Officer. We extend a warm welcome also to the Senior Economic Development Specialist, Apollo Y. Manlawe, the representative of RD Florita A. Vidal from DepDev 12.
Award the agencies with perfect attendance in all our four assembly meetings for the year 2025.
Okay, ito yung kanilang elevator. 8 passengers only.
Ground floor.
Okay. So hot. Turn on. Wapo na tanawan yung mukha, no? Yung pwesto, ah. Wala na siya.
They will be discussing what. So, sino sa inyo? Yun lang. Si Attorney Mental po, kasama ko sa
Yung sa, although na-mention naman kanina yung sa mga buildings, but yung sa Form 3 kasi nakalagay na